Hey guys, Chris.Donley again here in Junction City, Oregon at Guaranty RV. I'm going to be showing you the 2021 Coachman Pursuit. This is going to be the 31 BHF model. And as you guessed, it is a bunkhouse. Let's go inside. Now coming in here, if I told you that a 31-foot motorhome would sleep 10 people, you probably wouldn't believe me, but take a look for yourself. We're in the living room here right now. Nice big beautiful couch that converts to a bed. Coming up here into the dash, you notice it's on the brand new V8 Ford chassis. This thing's going to drive spectacular. You've got a nice big view screen here above your stereo, easily to monitor all your cameras. You do have a loft bed that comes down, and then coming over here to the dinette, you've got space for 4 eating or 2 sleeping. Coming into the galley, you still have plenty of counter space, easy access to all of your appliances, which directly across is an over 10 cubic foot compressor driven fridge. Lots of great space there. Now, of course, where the BHF comes from is the fact that this is a bunkhouse model, which you can see here in the hallway. And coming into the back bedroom, you've got a beautiful king size bed. There's still lots of storage in this bedroom here for longer trips. And coming back through the bathroom here, it's a dual entry bathroom. This is really nice when you have other guests and you need either privacy or you need them to access their own side of it. Now coming around to the outside, you've got an outside TV. You have lots of storage, especially in the back here where there's a pass-through to store longer items. This is a great package in 31 feet. And again, this can sleep everyone you need to sleep and still get you into any park you need to get into. So there's a lot more to take a look at. Guys, thank you for joining me on this tour of the Pursuit 31 BHF. It's a wonderful model, sleeps so many, and there's just so much more to talk about. So why don't you come in and check it out? I'd love to show it to you. Ask for Chris.